Hello YouTube, I just wanted to show you something I'm doing for the spring, and I'm going to be doing because I want to try it out. It's a slightly vintage item that I'm going to fix, and I'll just show you real quick. This is a vintage hibachi. It's this thing is still good. It has a slight little crack right here. I'm hoping this is some kind of steel I can weld. There's that. This was put on backwards, so I just used the clamp to see. But it needs a little cleaning. See, it says Hibachi on it. I'm gonna put some new feet and just give it a clean up the screws. I think there's a little grill that goes in here, but I have to look online for that little heat thing. And I'm not sure, it might be a little grill that goes in there. I'm gonna clean it up, paint some barbecue paint, put some new screws on, stainless steel product screws on here. The handle's back on, and ta-da! Put it back in the service. And I'm gonna have a little mini barbecue. See, I took this off because it was originally screwed on like this. And when you put it on here, the grill was like crooked. So, but when I just checked, if you put it on this way, the grill stays straight. So the only thing is this one's broken right here. So I might just give it a little tack weld right there. I'm assuming that's a decent kind of metal. I don't know. Maybe it's aluminum or some shit. We'll find out. But it's probably not aluminum because it's... So anyway, it needs a little bit of TLC. Total... I might... Yeah, get all dirt over here. Whatever, I'll flip it over. I might... this thing's made where? Taiwan. I'll probably make a new bottom piece. So anyway, that's what I'm planning on doing. What's wrong with over there? Oh, don't worry about it. That's the hibachi project. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. You want to say hi to the camera?
What?
Want to say hi before we leave?
Yeah.
It's getting cold in here. See the little barbecue we're going to try out in the spring?
Yeah.
What do you want to cook on there?
I think I know.
What do you want to cook?
Steak and bacon.
Steak and bacon.
No. I meant, what is it called?
Hot dogs?
No.
Steak and corn?
Yeah. Steak and, what is the other thing I ate before?
I don't know. Fish? You eat all kinds of stuff.
No.
On the barbecue?
I mean
Potatoes?
It's not steak, it's the, other kind of steak.
The Wagyu?
The other kind of steak.
Pork chops?
Yeah, pork
Or chicken?
Chop.
So anyway, we're going to make some steak, pork chops, some chicken, all kinds of stuff, right?
Chicken legs.
Chicken legs.
Chicken legs.
Anyway,
Chicken
thanks
legs.
for watching. Hope you enjoy these videos.